Hey, so if your Google Form file upload isn't working, like files won't upload or you're getting errors, yeah, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry, this is usually fixable. I'll walk you through it step by step, so let's get into it. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account. File upload forms require sign-in, so this is important. Next, check the file size limit set by the form owner. If your file is too large, it won't upload. Some forms only allow certain file types, like PDFs or images. Make sure your file matches the allowed format. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're using the correct one. Yeah, sometimes uploads fail due to account mismatch. File uploads are stored in the form owner's Google Drive. If their storage is full, uploads might fail. If the upload still isn't working, try a different browser. Sometimes browser issues can block uploads. Also, extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools can interfere with uploads. Try disabling them temporarily. Large file uploads need a stable connection. If your internet drops, the upload may fail. If nothing works, contact the form owner. There might be restrictions or issues on their side. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Forms file upload problems. One of these steps should get your uploads working again. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.